So guys, today was an amazing day. We got when I say we, ABC Shoes, JTP Cows, we got an invitation from the Plateau State chapter of National Youth Service Corps, that's NYC, to be part of the SAED program. So we went there and we got from there, coming there, getting to see amazing people, graduates, prospective corps members, and amazing personalities, all dressed in white and normal uniform, 7/7, 6/7, 4/7, and all of that. As a copper now, normally, as ex-copper, what I be now, I'm not intimidated. You understand? So we walk into the location. Everything goes well. Yeah, we were called to the stage to introduce what we do. Of course, now we are anywhere you see jet because you see shoes. So we walk up to the stage, now everybody gets to introduce themselves. The chairs are coming, the shouts are coming, and all of those things. So I have my boss, Mr. Martins, the photography man. So if you are watching this video and you need a photographer or a videographer for your occasions, please reach out to me while I reach out to Mr. Martins. You understand me? So we are doing this. So from there we get to introduce each and every one of us. Yeah, the SAED trainers. Like I said, this is Mr. Ade, and from there we went to Miss Bali. Yeah, we have, I think, this is Ade still introducing his work. Yeah, we're still introducing. Exactly. Everything is composed. So please subscribe to this channel. Give us a like. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel. Give us a like. Let's get to do this together. You understand me? So Ade still introducing. It was a long talk for him though, but yeah, just trying to get their attention and prepare their minds for the greatness in photography and videography and posters. So from there we now move to this amazing, beautiful woman, the one for makeup. Yes, makeup. So she's so beautiful. You can see that. You can see her pictures. You can see her face. So she's just speaking what she is or what she's into. You understand? So if you want to do makeup for your wedding and all of those things, please reach out to this amazing girl. Yeah, you can reach out to me and get a contact across to you. If you are here, Nigeria, Africa, you want, you're looking for a makeup artist, please, where to learn or maybe where you have an occasion, reach out to this amazing, beautiful, elegant woman. You understand? Yeah. So myself, boom, this is me. You understand me? This is JTP. This is ABC Shoes. You can feel the vibe. You understand me? Bigger. Everybody. I just get to introduce myself. I just get to call my name. See the chairs. Now every of these chairs, I give it to my mom. Yeah, that amazing woman that gave birth to me. These chairs, all of these chairs, all of this shout. It's for my mother, it's for me, it's for you that is watching this video, it's for all my customers around the world, it's for all my subscribers around the world, it's for you subscribing to my channel today. So all of the chairs, it's for you, it's for you, it's for you to tell you how important you are. That is what you are, it's important to me. So it's been an amazing time. It was an amazing time, truly it was an amazing time. So enjoy the rest of the video. You can reach out to me on 09035539885. Like I said, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp using that number. If you're not in Nigeria, you can add my country code +2349035539885. Like I said, you are an amazing person. So now, if you have a group of persons you want me to teach shoemaking, please feel free to reach out to me using that number displayed on your screen. Yeah, we can deliver, we can teach group of students, corps members, adults, anywhere, church youths, Islamic youth, anywhere, just group of people you want them to learn, you want to impart shoemaking into their lives, or maybe creating wealth or teaching people how to generate wealth, call on me and I will deliver, you understand? Like the Hebrew women, I will deliver, you understand me? Like I said, all of those chairs is for you, me, myself, my shoe brand, everybody, all the core members, to Nysc, Plateau State Chapter, Nigeria as a whole, Africa, and humanity. It is for you, it is for me, it is for us. One love Africa, one love Nigeria, one love Plateau State, one love Benue State, one love Idoma Nation. I love you, Oyi Bule. Yeah, that Idoma man, that Idoma guy, you understand me? Big up 100%, proudly Idoma Bule.